Hey everyone, this is Priyanka, your English trainer. Welcome to the Daily English Vocabulary Dose 3. So let's get started, friends. So friends, these are our today's vocabulary words. And in the end, I'll ask a question. You have to answer that question in comment box. So friends, the first word that I have for you is spooky. Spooky means something which is very frightening. In Hindi, you can say डरावना. Let's take an example. The forest is really spooky in the dark. Forest अंधेरे में बहुत ज़्यादा डरावना लगता है. Let's take its synonym. Its synonym is eerie. Repeat after me. Eerie. Moving to our next word, which is paucity. Friends, paucity means an insufficient quantity or you can say number. In Hindi it is कमी, किसी चीज की कमी. Let's take an example. It will be difficult for me to construct the project with such a paucity of tools. Let's take its synonym, which is scarcity. Repeat after me, scarcity. So friends, our next word is succinct. Before doing this word, we must know its pronunciation. Its pronunciation is succinct. Succinct. Now its meaning, succinct means brief. कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा छोटा या फिर संक्षिप्त में. Now I'm going to tell you its sentence. Everyone was happy when the politician gave a succinct speech. सब बहुत ज़्यादा खुश थे जब पॉलिटिशियन ने एक छोटी स्पीच दी. Now moving to its synonym. Its synonym is concise. Concise. So our next word is prodigy. Prodigy is very important word, friends. Its meaning is a person with exceptional qualities, or you can say extremely talented person. In Hindi it is मेधावी छात्र. Its sentence is Mehul was a musical prodigy. Now its synonym, which is genius, or you can say mastermind or wonder child. The next vocab word here is scrutiny. Scrutiny means critical observation or you can say examination. In Hindi it is जांच करना या फिर छानबीन करना. Let's take an example, friends. Their activities have come under police scrutiny. Its synonym is inspection or you can say investigation. So moving to our next word, which is peevish. Repeat after me, peevish. Peevish means a person who is bad-tempered, जिसे बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी गुस्सा आता है और you can say चिड़चिड़ा. So example of peevish is we don't want to live with peevish person. हम एक चिड़चिड़े person के साथ नहीं रहना चाहते. Let's take its synonym, which is irritable or you can say cranky. Our next word is bizarre. Bizarre means very strange or in Hindi you can say अजीब. Let's take an example. She is going to break his bizarre rules. वो उसके बहुत ज़्यादा अजीब rules को तोड़ने जा रही है. Its synonym is odd or you can say peculiar. Let's move to our next word, which is scum. Friends, in this word, B letter is silent. You will not pronounce B letter. It is scum. Its meaning is to stop fighting against something. किसी चीज के आगे हार मान लेना. In Hindi or you can say झुक जाना. Let's take an example. He succumbed to defeat. उसने हार मान ली. Its synonym is surrender. Our next vocab word is bygone. Bygone means past events. बीता हुआ या फिर पुराना. Let's take an example, friends. Let bygones be bygones. You all people have heard about this famous idiom. Let bygones be bygones. जो बीत गई सो बीत गई. Its synonym is ancient. Last but not least is plethora. Plethora means an excessive amount of something. In Hindi it is adhikta. Let's take an example. I have a plethora of shirts, so I'll donate some. Its synonym is abundance. Repeat after me, abundance. Friends, question of the day is, what is the synonym of eerie? A. Bizarre, B. Peevish, C. Spooky, and D. Prodigy. You have to tell me the answer in comment box. Thanks for watching this video, friends. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.